So think about it this way. It's kind of as if the circumstances in your life are like the weather. Some days, sun's shining, birds are singing, clouds are just floating by. You can make shapes of them if you like. And Jesus is so very clear. He's easy to see, even when you're not close to him, when he's across the way, because you've not spent a lot of time together as of times recent, and yet you can still see him. And yet there are other moments where the circumstances aren't so bright and shining, where storm heads roll forward, the fog begins to rise, the thunder begins to rumble, and Jesus isn't so easy to pick out any longer. Porch, like the clouds, your circumstances are always moving. It may be dark today, it will be bright tomorrow, but that which does not change is Jesus. He stands with you, he stands for you. You need only keep your eyes fixed on him. It is possible for two things to be true. Life can be hard, and yet God can be good.